Okay, Kyosho in the wet pavement. It stopped raining, good thing. Okay, on go. Racers ready? 1, 2, 3, go. John's ahead. This is second lap. Last lap for John. John did a stop and go, which is good. This is John's last lap. And Kev, last lap. So you can come back here, Kev, if you want.
These are like Hellcats compared to...
Okay, racers ready? On your mark, get set, go! Oh, John screwed up. He's got to catch up. Now Kev has to deal with the stress of being in first. Kevin's still in the lead. John catching up this second lap. Whoa, almost took him out.
Oh my god, there's so much power on this.
Oh yes, they're way more powerful than the Tamayas. And there we go, John for the win. Okay, Dan and Seb for the second race, best out of 3. Racers ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh my god.
That was wide. Again a wide turn. Seb is used to driving the Tamaya. This has more power. And he didn't really do a practice run with this, but... Last lap. Last lap for Dan. Seb has almost half a lap ahead. And that's it, Seb wins.
Do it, Sashi, go. She doesn't mind stand so. Damn. So great. It would drift.
Okay, racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, too much power. Whoa. Dan is drifting around corners. What the heck happened there? That's second lap. Last lap. Dan at this point is just having fun. And Seb wins it.
It's so smooth. How does it? That's so smooth.
There we go. Seb wins it. Okay, racers ready? Starting to rain again. On go. 1, 2, 3, go. This is a loser's bracket. Let's see who's going to get back up. Kevin is his first time driving that truck. Never drove it before. What are you trying to do? No, you got to pull back on this and then push in. Sorry. Was that your third lap? Okay, go for it. I wasn't paying attention, sorry. I was watching John work on the truck, on the car. No, it should be these two cables you need to take off. Okay. Okay, second race out of best out of 3 laps. Dan won the first one. Guys ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's real in Texas.
Whoa, he almost came back. Whoa.
I got a bad finger, eh? Like I can't.
That's it. Dan comes back up. Kevin's eliminated. So John and Seb, and then Dan comes back here against the winner after these two.
Whatever.
Okay, racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Second lap. Seb takes the lead on the second lap. Oh, John's coming up behind him. Oh. Third lap. Last lap. Whoa!
Oh, they're bad. Yeah.
Okay. John won the first one. Okay, second race. You guys ready? Best out of 3. On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, you kidding?
John won the first one. This is lap 1.
No.
Lap 2.
Dude, you can't
Oh.
get that back, I swear.
Last lap. John has to fuck up. Come on, John, screw up, screw up. My son again screwed up at the corner over there. And John wins it.
Yeah.
Seb goes in loser's bracket.
Can't win them all.
Okay, this is the loser's bracket. Whoever wins comes back up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
You don't need to make it.
Last lap for Seb. Encore.
So bag, you tell me you.
Well, you're not supposed to hit the bag. That's it. Seb wins it. Second, ready for second race. Okay, get ready. Sébastien, don't lean on the table. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. I think that's your last lap now. Third lap. And it's starting to rain again.
Oh.
Look at your car. Don't worry about Dan's car. Go, go. He's catching up. Okay, Seb wins it. So it was Seb and John in the Tamaya class for the final, and now it's John and Seb again in the Kyosho class. So
This is the loser's bracket, isn't it?
no, that's not the loser. He won the loser's bracket, so he came back up.
Yeah, this is the final.
This is the final. So if you won the best out of 3, you win.
Okay.
If he wins, he's got to race you again because you haven't lost yet. Okay, racers ready, on go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm not gonna do my mistakes again.
Try not to.
I won't.
Let's see if the Hellcat's gonna keep his winning streak alive. Seb's Hellcat is undefeated. We'll fix that back later. Last lap.
Being cautious and hitting all his lines this time.
Yeah, he's hitting the lines. Oh, John's catching up. And Sebastien wins it.
I'm way more smooth now.
Okay, racers ready. Seb won the first one. Let's see if he can win the best out of 3. On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
No way.
Let's see if John can come back from that rollover. Oh, kind of skid out there. Said hit the cone. This is the final. This is the second lap. Oh, stop and go. Yeah. Third lap. Whoa! John did a tumble over there. There we go. Seb wins it. So Seb won the. See, Seb, your tires, you can't spin out, like compared to him.
I feel like
Okay, Sebastien won the best out of 1, so that means John actually went to the loser's bracket and automatically comes back up because he never lost yet. So it's the last best out of 3 laps. We're gonna go on go. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Go! Whoa, Seb kind of screwed up that one. Whoa. That's the second lap. Yeah, you got a good lead. That's it. Third lap, third final lap. Over half a lap in the lead for John. I think Seb is just going to forget that one. Oh, he's taking out a bunch of cones. That's it. John wins. John wins the first out of best out of 3. Let's see.
I got it.
No, no, don't even try.
What?
Okay, second race of best out of 3 for the finals. Racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Right now, I didn't do it well.
Oh, that's pretty close. Second lap. Whoa!
I got you again. The nemesis is that beanbag.
The second lap. Third final lap for John. He's got to screw up, do a tumble or something. But now that I've said that, he's just going to relax and enjoy the ride. And here comes a winner.
Damn.
The Hellcat lost.
So now we've
We're not making
now we've
more
evened
streak.
out. Are we just gonna take a tie?
No,
or do
no,
we go
you
down?
you won. You won because you both lost and you both won. Like, I mean, he won the first one, which means it was your first loss.
Yes.
But now you've won that second race, now you win.
So like everybody has a chance to win, like